On the 30th of March 2024, at the Walmart parking lot in Palm Beach County, Florida, PBSO deputies received a 911 call reporting a young boy wandering alone in the scorching heat. The high temperature posed a serious risk of heat stroke or suffocation. Officers were immediately dispatched to the scene to investigate.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, is this your kid?
Yeah, I had to run in to use the bathroom.
Okay, but he looks like he's not okay. Are you okay, buddy? He's been here a while.
He has not been. You can check the time. I literally ran in there and ran out.
What's his name?
Yeah.
Are you mom?
And I had to go to the bathroom really bad. And he was sleeping, so I just ran in there.
Can you have fire rescue?
Hi. Here, buddy, let me hold you. Hi. You're being so... Hi.
¿Quién fue que llamó? ¿Quién llamó?
Hi. Your kid?
Yes.
Okay.
And I really had to use the bathroom. So he was sleeping and I just ran in there.
Huh?
I ran in there to use the bathroom and came out. I just really had to go to the bathroom. And you can look it up on my hospital record that I've been out of the hospital having surgery.
How old's the kid?
He's 4.
Okay. You have your ID?
I don't have anything on me.
She repeatedly denied any wrongdoing and seemed unaware that her actions could have put the child in serious danger.
So if you like my social.
You don't have your ID on you at all?
No. My 13-year-old was in the bathroom with me. And she's still in there. I ran in here because I was worried about him and bolted. Because my daughter, who's 13, is still in the bathroom. My other 13-year-old is in the bathroom. Can I go inside with him?
One second. Your 13-year-old's in the bathroom?
Yeah, she ran with me to the bathroom.
Okay.
She's. Can I please go get her?
Hold on a second. I'm gonna have. Hey, there's a 13-year-old in there too.
She came with me to the bathroom.
So when you pulled up and we parked, and he was in the middle of the road, did you go up to him? And
We stopped there. They're like, "What's going on?" He just kept saying, "I want my mommy. Where's my mommy? I want my mommy." She just got here.
So she just
Like you guys, like literally, you guys pulled up and she walked right there.
Do you have your ID?
Yeah.
So you said you called right away, or you waited?
We waited, maybe like 2 minutes because we were talking to him.
Okay.
And then the guy over there saw that as well. We walked towards him at the same time, and then they came right after us. They got him a drink, and then we got him a toy so we could.
So we were coming out of the store.
Yeah, it's not been out there yet.
I'm parked in that black Expedition.
Okay, just beyond my vehicle.
Yeah.
So far, okay.
And the child is right here.
Right at the
Right.
end of this parking spot.
Right where that bump is, right there.
Okay. Right where this tree stump roots
No,
are?
right where your wheel is.
Okay, right where the wheels.
And
Okay.
the child is crying.
Standing there or sitting down?
No, standing.
Like mommy,
Okay.
crying for mommy. And we asked him if he was okay.
So, from the time that you seen him to the time that you called 911, was how long? Which time went by?
It was within 10 minutes.
Not even that. No, it was probably like 3 minutes because this couple saw him as well and they called 911.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Like from the time that we saw him
Oh,
to
when we
911.
reported it to you guys?
It was
Yeah,
maybe like
around
3
4
minutes.
minutes.
Okay.
If
And then the time that we responded, and the time that you called, and the time that we responded,
It was about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes. And in between that 10 minutes, at what point did the mom come here?
Right when you showed up?
Right when you guys got
A minute later, she showed up.
She was here.
Okay. All right. And is there anything else I'm missing or you want to add?
No, other than there's a cat in my car tonight.
Okay. You see anybody else in the vehicle?
He just ran to the car and got in.
Officers spoke with the individuals who had called 911, gathering details about what they saw and how the incident unfolded.
What was mom's mannerisms and reactions to you?
I didn't see her coming up. I was at my vehicle because I left her to load up my vehicle.
What did mom say to you?
Nothing. She just came here, and there's the lady cop was right here.
Okay.
So she.
Kathy.
And can you raise your right hand? You swear upon the truth, the whole truth, no but truth, help you God, that whatever you told me is true and correct to the best of your abilities?
Yes.
Can you raise your hand, man?
Yes.
Can you swear and affirm that everything you told me is the best of your knowledge and then best of your abilities? Okay.
That's true.
Thank you guys, and if I need anything else, just hang tight, I will request it, okay?
Okay.
In a rather unusual moment, the officers asked the witnesses to raise their hands and swear that their statements were truthful. To gather more accurate details, they then continued by questioning the 3-year-old daughter.
Hey, so were you in the car with your brother?
I was going in his bathroom.
Okay, where was your mom at?
With me.
So you guys both went into the bathroom?
Yeah, I don't like going by myself and stuff inside places like that, so I asked her to come with me.
Okay. How long ago did you guys go to the bathroom?
Not too long ago.
Okay. And you left your little brother by himself in the car?
I thought it would be fine since he's sleeping.
You can't leave the car unattended with him in there. It's hot. Where do you guys live?
I'm not really living with my mom. I was just here hanging out with her for the weekend.
Oh, okay. You live with your dad?
Yes.
Where do you live?
In Riviera.
Riviera Beach with your dad?
Yes.
Okay. Where does your mom stay at?
At a hotel right now.
Okay. And then your brother your brother stays with you too at your dad's?
No, he stays with my mother.
Okay. Watch out. Okay. So you guys came here to go to the bathroom?
Yes, that's all.
Okay. Where were you guys before here?
Excuse me?
Where were you guys before here?
At the hotel.
Gotcha. So do you know where the hotel is?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you guys were driving around and you said you needed to go to the bathroom?
Yes.
And you came here to Walmart?
Yes.
Gotcha. And she went with you to the bathroom?
Yes, because I was like going into like crowded places by myself.
Yeah. So do you remember like at what time you guys went into the store?
I don't usually check my phone.
Okay. All right. How long do you think you were in there?
Not too long.
Like 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3
Oh, it was
minutes,
just 5 minutes.
10 minutes?
Just 5 minutes, probably.
Okay. All right. Well, like I said, it's pretty hot, and you guys left him with the car off and everything. Like he woke up and he was looking for you guys.
Concerned for the child's well-being, officers requested medical personnel to examine him, ensuring he hadn't suffered from the extreme heat or lack of air inside the car.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, so we got two concerns. The young man here was in the car by himself for a little bit. We don't know exactly how long.
It was like 3,
and he
4
was
minutes.
out walking out. People located him. Just want to check on this little guy's well-being.
Sure.
As well as mom. Mom said she's
I've been struggling with kids on and off, and that's why I had to stop here to go to the bathroom. I've been in and out of JFK, and it's like I can't even hold, like you really need it myself.
There's really not anything that we can do to check you for the
Okay.
We can check your vital signs.
Okay.
All right,
Yeah.
you want to walk with us?
Yeah, just in case, because I've been having on-off fever with it too.
Okay. So he was on the parking lot or anything? Or
No, he just got out of the car, I guess, and I was standing in front of the car.
Okay.
So they were concerned because the people that didn't realize I had just like literally ran in and ran out to the bathroom.
Okay. So are you worried? Is anything out of norm to you that you see?
So stupid.
Do you want us to check you out or no?
I know. I'm just so stupid.
It's okay,
I'm going through a really bad divorce, and I'm not going straight. I feel really bad because now I'm thinking about it. It sounds so dumb.
Mom, take a chill pill.
What's your name?
I'm so sorry.
Mom, what's your name? What's mommy's name? Nayetta?
What's your name, buddy?
Mom.
Can I see your finger, please? We're gonna put this on your finger, alright?
So his vital seems really normal. Is anything out of norm to you?
No, he was fine to me. I was literally in and out. I just had to really go to the bathroom.
So if you don't see anything out of norm,
I wanted to make sure. I just wanted to make sure he was okay.
We're gonna check your temperature, buddy. Okay? Obviously, you know, you made a bad decision. You can't leave him in the car by himself.
I know, I literally thought he'd be in and out, and he was sleeping, and I didn't. It was a dumb choice. It was really dumb, and I really feel
Why didn't you just take him with you?
It's hot
Let your
outside.
daughter hold him.
Honestly, she is not and him don't really mesh well. They just don't get along. It's just the age difference of 10 years
It's
apart.
alright, buddy.
So I
Just hang out there.
I just wasn't. I didn't think. I just didn't think.
You can't leave him in the car. Even if it's right now.
There's really no
Can't play with that.
It's just stupid. I'm sorry.
that I want to argue with you.
I'm just sorry. Like, it was really stupid.
Every statement and piece of evidence gathered painted a clearer picture, one that worked entirely against her. The truth was undeniable, and now she would have to face the consequences of her own actions.
All right, I'm gonna read you a few things, okay?
Are you arresting me?
I'm just reading you a few things. This is a sworn recorded interview statement. Today's date is Saturday, March 30th, 2024. The time is now 1:46. I am at the parking lot of Walgreens. What's your name? Okay. I require you to warn you before you make any statements that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and answer not any questions. Any statements you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right and presence the representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statements during any questionings. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statements and during any questioning. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Any statements can be and will be used to you against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights that I have read to you?
Yes.
With those rights in mind, are you choosing to speak with me?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me again why you came here.
So I had to use the bathroom.
Okay.
When we were in the bathroom,
Okay.
my daughter was like she went to grab a bathing suit while I was in the bathroom.
Okay.
I ran out to look for her.
Okay.
When I grabbed her, I said, we have to, you could probably hear it if you listen to the audio, we gotta go. We ran back out here, and I saw you guys all around the car,
Okay.
and that's really it.
So you came here just to go to the bathroom?
Literally just to go to the bathroom.
Okay. And then you went with your daughter?
But yeah, my daughter came with, sorry,
And how long do you think you spent in the store?
like 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Literally 5 minutes.
Okay. And you left the car.
It was running?
The car was running
Yes.
with the keys inside?
No, I don't remember now. I don't remember.
Okay, but the kid was in there.
With the window.
The windows were up.
No, the windows were down.
The windows were down?
Yes.
Well, the windows were all up when we
That
came
window's
up.
100% down.
Which one? The one with the blanket?
That blanket was not was not there when I went in there. The window was open. The blanket was not like that when I left him. It was open.
Okay. But you still left the child unattended.
I did.
In this weather,
I did.
right? What's going on? Breathe.
I didn't realize it was. I didn't think. I'm stupid. I'm so.
Just breathe.
I really didn't think it. I'm really
Breathe.
sorry.
Because fire rescue is right here, and I don't want them to take you. Okay? Just breathe.
Can I have
Okay, just breathe.
I really didn't think it. And it's stupid. It's so f***ing stupid. And I'm a f***ing idiot. And I didn't think.
All right.
After reading her rights aloud, officers listened as she continued to explain herself, but the facts were already clear. With undeniable evidence in hand, they decided to place her under arrest immediately.
Right now, you're being placed under arrest. Not only for child neglect, but for shoplifting.
I didn't shoplift anything.
Yes, you did. You
What is-
passed all points of fail with
What?
that basket.
I didn't mean to.
And you left that dog. You left your daughter inside because you were going to come get your car. Come on.
No, I wasn't. Did you?
Put your hands.
Mom and tell her to tell me out right away.
Put your hands like if you were praying. Come on. It'll be easier.
I can't. Stop, touch me, please. I'm not, please, don't touch
Do
me.
not
Listen.
resist.
Stop.
I'm not
Because it
resisting.
will hurt.
Stop.
Do not resist.
I can't breathe.
Okay, listen.
We have
you're
fire
talking.
rescue here.
You're talking, right? You're breathing. You're talking. Just focus on that. You're
Oh, I
talking.
know now.
You're breathing. You're talking. You're breathing. Okay.
Put your hands like if you were breathing. I mean, put your hands like if you were praying. Come on. Put your hands like if you were praying. That way I can fix.
Listen, do you want these to be comfortable or you want them to hurt?
I
We're
don't
trying to
know
make
what
them
to do. I don't know what to do. I've never done this
Look at me,
before.
Look at me. Look at me. Focus. Put your hands like this backwards. That's all. That's all. Like this. We're putting handcuffs on you, okay? It's okay. Breathe. Breathe. See? You're fine. All it is.
Am I allowed? Is DCF gonna take my kids then?
No, he's taking it.
No, I'm saying after that.
No.
I can get them back as soon as I get out.
Look at me. Whoever has custody. We discussed this, right? So you have custody. And you're giving them permission.
You
Look
have
at
to
me.
take
Look
quarter
at me.
two.
Look at me.
When I get out, I
Hey,
can get.
he's not law enforcement. Look at me. I'm trying to explain it to you,
I
okay?
can't breathe.
You can. You're
I
talking.
did not mean to stop with anything either.
Right here. Right up to here. If you want them to do a
I
quick
didn't mean
out.
to, but I didn't mean to. I just.
I'll point to
Okay.
sale.
Okay, I didn't mean to. I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know.
You pass out point to
But I
sale.
didn't know. I didn't know.
Okay. Do you want rescue to check your vital signs?
No, I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know.
If you mind just grabbing your battery pack.
I didn't know.
I got it.
I didn't know. I didn't know. I swear I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know. Oh, I didn't know.
Sorry, I couldn't hear over the...
30599, can you tell me your last year's also?
22.
I didn't know.
1351.
I didn't know, I swear, I didn't know. I'm
Alright, we're
scared.
gonna get the AC working. All you gotta do is
I don't know what.
take a seat.
I don't want to go to jail. I've never been to jail.
Searches
I've never been to jail. I'm scared.
Listen, if you would have been honest with me 100% from the
I
beginning,
did. I was. I
you were in
was.
there for 24 minutes.
I didn't know it was that long. I swear to God, I didn't know.
You can't just leave a child unattended in
I
the car.
know. I agree with you.
And that's not the only reason.
I didn't. I earned this. I understand that. But I'm scared. I get it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm sorry now.
We don't want kids seeing this. Everyone's still here.
And they run them out so they
Look
go.
at me. No, we didn't do that. They gotta get out of the rescue unit. They gotta go to other calls. You're making it worse for your children right now. You gotta get yourself together.
Okay. Have a seat. Step in.
I don't know.
Where's that?
Can you put my jacket back on?
We got the run number already?
Yeah, I put it in the call. Hey,
You don't have anything in your bra, right?
yeah.
Okay. All right. Sit back.
I'm gonna get the.
This is the only thing.
Want me to take care of it?
Yeah.
Alright. You got it.
In the end, the mother was taken into custody and charged with felony child neglect and shoplifting. Under Florida law, these charges carry a penalty of up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and a $5,000 fine. Her careless decision not only broke the law, but also put her child's life in danger. This case serves as a sobering reminder. A few minutes of negligence can destroy lives. Always think, always protect, and never leave a child unattended, not even for a moment.